Hello, my name is Ioni and in this tutorial I will show you how to convert guides into lines in InDesign. Now, let's begin. I have already a document where I place the guides in the same place where the guides will be the line. Let's begin, and in the first step I will show you how to add the script in InDesign program. So for that, go to Window, click on Utilities and Script. In this folder, click on this icon and click on Reveal in Explorer. Double click on JavaScript, and in this folder, I will place the script for how to convert the guides into line. So this is the path. This C drive, local C drive, program files, InDesign script and JavaScript. And now click on copy. This is the script, and I will place in this folder. So just paste it. OK. Now let's go back in InDesign. So you will see the script is this guide to path in InDesign. With this guides active, double click on this guides to path, guides converted and group, and let's hide this. Click on this layers, go to window and click on this layers panel. And in this layers panel, you can see the lines are added in the same place where the guides are. So let's go to view and grids and guides and hide guides. This is the shortcut. Okay. Now click on this icon. You can see the guides are added and grouped. Click on properties panel, click on this stroke because I want to change the color in white. You can just increase or decrease the point of this line. So I will leave 1 point, and you can just click on W to see the preview mode, and you can just add the lines in the same place where the guides are with this script. I will leave the script into the description, and you can just download and place the script in script folder in InDesign. Now, this was the tutorial for how to convert guides into lines in InDesign. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.